Hear that thing? Oh yes, you definitely did, right? Yeah, we got the Scat today. I'm gonna go pick up my sister. Fix good? Cool. Yeah. So I'm gonna go pick her up, you know, bring her for a ride in the Scatty. I mean, it's not gonna be hers, but I am surprising her with it. She loved this car. It's her dream car, bro. And I'm gonna go take her for a ride so she can buy one. We're gonna teach her to properly drive though, because these things ain't nothing to play with. Alright, well, good. I see you there. Love the Scat, eh? Bro, it's her dream car, bro. Every day she keep on talking about it. Oh, your friend got a Scatpack and never took me for a ride in it before. So it's not yours, it's Dice. But we got access to it for the time being. Why are you smiling like that, bro? She said it's so-and-so. Let me see how this shit recording. Lower your seat a bit now. Like, buck it up a little bit.
Back it up?
Yeah, like, make it go up. She said, how me do that? Like, just make it lean back. The long one, like, the one that go up. I know, leave it. Leave it. Just leave it. Where should we go? This is not even my area.
Dude, don't hit the car, dude. Don't hit the car.
She said, you're talking to him, right?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
No, I'm talking to the Toyota dude. Is that loud?
And we're not even getting on here.
Yo, Pina, no. You're scared dog them.
I just hope the breeze ain't too much. So we're not gonna drift it or slide it, whatever. We're just gonna take our time, get on a nice piece of road, get up to speed and floor it.
So I'm gonna see you go.
How we got? Hold on, don't listen.
Nice piece of road, don't listen. Me.
That's y'all worry about?
Yeah.
Why didn't it scare you or nothing? Damn. And for real?
I already know how you drive.
Damn, bro, this video is over then. Y'all at least smiling though, right?
No, I'm from my head.
Damn, bro.
Look on the video.
Why?
Look on it.
Why?
No, I'm from my head.
Just leave your hair, make your hair flop. If you, oh, there's a top, okay. If your hair flop, just make it flop.
Take that. Take that. You know you have it too fast.
Doing 48 and I'm 45, there ain't nothing wrong with that.
But didn't you say a cop was behind you?
What am I gonna do?
Yes, we are covered.
Your ears? Why? No, just leave it, bro. Don't touch your hand. Don't move your hand, bro.
It's so loud.
So? It sounds damn good though, right?
Does it come this way?
Idiot. No sense.
Does it come this way?
So you like the car but you don't know shit about it?
Make nice, like a
You wanna hear the pops?
No, not yet. That I wear is short for pants for your papa.
Which one?
That
one?
That I wear is short for pants.
So just go straight?
Yeah.
You need a nice road, bro. So we're going over there for food place, in bro.
Yeah?
That's how we're going over there for our place. And the boss and everything they're right. So eat like we don't want to come in, don't want to go home?
Yeah?
Like them not coming, don't want to go home? said, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Why you bawling out the Lord name in vain, young lady? Don't cover anything, please. Don't cover your feet. Yeah, that's what I'm fun.
Listen up on me and them. This feel like a roller coaster.
I ain't gonna lie, I would be scared of that part too just now. This is the shit. So you're going, why this man just keep on following us like that, bro?
Ooh.
The guy in the, what's that, a Hyundai? Yeah, in the...
Sir, leave us alone!
We can't follow if I really want to, but...
But did he just blow? Did he just blow?
What do you think about this Scatpack? Still want one? Or you want it more now? You're not gonna respond, bro?
Not this one. It's too much.
What? It's too fast?
Yes.
She said it's too fast, bro.
You're right. They're gonna end up in a tree.
I told her that. I did say that. If she don't learn how to drive properly, she gonna end up in a tree. I did say that. But she said this one is too much, bro. This one is perfect, girl.
Someone go up in that tree?
No, that's what I'm saying. You gotta learn how to drive properly before you do buy it. That's what I'm saying. That's why I said that. You can't just go run and buy a Scatpack. You gotta learn how to drive properly before you go and buy a Scatpack.
Give me a regular
GT? No, you want a Scatty. Scatty. Like my boy always says, Scatty. Exaggerate, dog. You just exaggerate. What I feel?
my anxiety.
She doesn't even have anxiety. We're recording, right? You know we're not even recording?
My head hurts. So you just do all of this shit for just
No, I'm joking.
pressure?
It's recording, I'm joking. Where's the spot we're going to take the picture? That's a lot of traffic right there, bro.
Me stand up on the car and take the picture. Be like, I'm the money one!
Are you one of them crazy people now? Need more light. Cool. So, Amoy. Like the Scatpack?
Yeah.
Just, yeah?
Yeah. My hearing is kind of impaired right now. But so tomorrow, ask me again and yes! I love it! Is that better?
Well, you sound like you're faking it.
I'm not hearing.
She said she can't hear, bro.
I'm down. Yo, my guts, the peanut.
What about your guts? You want me to take a knife and bust them out?
They already busted.
Alright, I'm gonna drop you home, and then I'm gonna take my ass back home. Well, I'm not dropping you home, I'm dropping you on Javi. But yeah, that's the Scatpack. You saw her reaction. Look at the camera. You saw her reaction. She's looking at the pictures we just took. Yeah. Go check out the Instagram and you'll see them. And I ain't gonna link her Instagram.
Oh my god,
Man, we brought out the Scatpack today. The Scatpack. Thing is that we'll turn on the AC, but then you can't see us because you know we're too dark. And then the tint dark. So
when
dark and dark.
When I get mine, you test mine. You're gonna be in the passenger seat. I'm gonna be over here. Yeah.
Me passenger seat, rear wheel drive cars.
The whole police station.
Well, let them wake up. They should be doing their job. They shouldn't be sleeping. Shit. Hello, officers.
What the hell?
She big, but she can turn. Right on.
Yeah.
Let's do our last acceleration. Yo, what do you mean? You scared of the Scatpack now? Maybe taking for a ride wasn't the best idea. Now she ain't gonna buy one because she's scared of it.
I'm not gonna drive like how you drive. Freak. Shit.
Who that Jeffy mother? Why you say freak shit? Oh, I thought I did something bad, but you just nervous. Like, what the fuck?
Yes.
Alright, get out.
Yo,
Bye-bye.
this camera's good.
Bye-bye. Hey guys, if you like the video, thumbs up, smash the like button. That's the same thing as thumbs up. Subscribe, share it. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Like it.
Bye-bye.
View it.
Bye-bye. I'll view it again.
Send
later.
me a heart, a liver, a kidney.
Send me a heart, a liver, a kidney. You see, after the ride with the Scat, now she needs a new heart, liver, and a kidney. Anybody donating?
My brother need a new brain.
Why you need a new brain?
You need a new brain.
Why?
In order to drive car.
Bye-bye.